If you're a psychologist, social worker, practitioner, you are creating social developmental histories. I'm going to show you how to use AI to help you as you create your social developmental histories. Let's jump right in. We're at schoolsite.ai. We're going to go to the studio writer. So go ahead, click that button. Then we're going to create a new studio writer grid. We're going to call this JB Developmental History. And go ahead and create that for that student. Now, if you're working on, let's say, a psych eval, you're going to have all your template sections here. Because we're just going to start it, we're going to go ahead and create this section. We're going to call it Developmental History and create. The next thing you're going to do once the template section opens up, you're going to click the button that says Tools. Once you're in Tools, go up to Search Tools and start typing in development, social development history, and it's going to pop right up. Once it pops up, if you have PDFs, fine, pull that in. But let's imagine that you're pulling from a number of different sources. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can even be bullet points. In fact, I'm going to paste in. This is just bullet points. Let me show you what we have as an example. And it didn't translate perfectly, but it was bulleted points. It was only bullet points, basic information from a number of sources you might have, right? So this student enjoys playing with same age peers, can initiate and maintain peer interactions, demonstrates difficulty. So you might be able to pull just basic information that you might have from a number of sources, progress reports, IEPs, interviews, whatever it is, just put it in. It does not have to be perfect. Like we said, Byron, how come it doesn't have to be perfect? Because we have trained this tool to do a really good job of synthesizing a wide array of information and giving you a nice social developmental history. So let's go ahead and click summarize. And now it's running, it's processing, and in a few seconds, it's going to output the social developmental history. You can see it organizes it by key developmental milestones. You can read through. One of the cool parts about this, you can edit directly in because that's the powerful thing about the studio writer. So I can make edits, I can bold, I can change the font, I can add colors, whatever you want. And that's the beauty of it. As an example, Jessica demonstrates several key social emotional developmental milestones. She enjoys playing with same age peers and engages in cooperative play, in turn taking activities. Cool, you would just finish reading the whole thing, make sure it makes sense. And then we go to areas of concerns, delay. Again, because you can edit, I'm going to go ahead and start editing directly inside of here. As an example, it says the student exhibits difficulty shifting attention and following multi-step directions, particularly during unstructured tasks. Continue reading through. If you like it, keep going. It gives contextual factors, educational therapeutic implications, and then a summary of findings. What I really like about this is that I just put in bullet points, and even because it didn't paste perfectly, it was just text. But it still took that text that I input and did a really good job of organizing that information. It analyzed it, organized it, structured it, gave it bold headers, which really looks pretty good. And now, because I'm building out a Psych eval directly here, I can go on to the next section. Give this tool a try. Let us know what you think. Until next time, take care.